after the night. Don't leave your girl around me, true player for real. Ask my nigga for real. Come on. That's how it's going down. You smell it? Yeah, you smell it? Yeah. Bounce to this. Bounce to this. Bounce to this.
Greetings and salutations, y'all. It's your girl, theonesaraho, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a review on this wig that I got off of Amazon from a company called Junbeauty, and I got in the style 16003 and in the style 1B. So taking the hair out of the unit, I'm just smelling it to see if there's any weird scent. There was not, and running my fingers through it, this unit was extremely soft and I was actually very surprised by it. This is just the construction of the wig, 2 clips in the back, a mesh netting on the inside, and there were no clips on this wig, and this is what the parting is looking like on the unit. So I just went ahead and put the unit on my head to see what it would look like with no manipulation. This is what the back looks like. The hair was just really bumped at the end, so I went in with my flat iron at 370 and just like straightened it just to see how it would hold up against the heat. It did say that it was heat resistant, so you can apply heat to this unit. This is how it looked like when it was straight, so I just decided to go ahead and straighten the entire unit, and this is what the unit looked like after going in and straightening the front and the back of it. So in terms of shedding, it does shed, but it's not anything super crazy. I got a couple strands when I first put it on, but after wearing it about 4 or 5 times, the hair does shed. So it's not anything super crazy like chunks of hair falling out, but I gave it a 4 out of 5 just because it does shed a little bit. In terms of parting, the parting was very natural. I didn't go in and pluck it obviously, but it looked really natural in my opinion. In terms of luster, it wasn't too shiny and it wasn't like the party wig type of cosplay wig, and it felt very natural and it looked very natural. The fullness on this unit was also very good. The hair felt very flowy and very bouncy and actually really good for an $8 unit. This unit is also big head friendly, so if you're worried if it's not going to fit your big head, it fit my big head, so you have nothing to worry about. Considering the fact that this was only an $8 wig, I was pleasantly surprised at how well constructed it was, and my only 2 issues being the little bit of shedding that I got, and the bangs are a little long, so you might have to wear the wig back a little, but nothing major. So I gave it a 4 out of 5 just for those 2 reasons. If you only had $10 to spend on the wig, I would definitely recommend getting this $8 one. And as always, I will leave the link in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thank you guys for watching, and see you guys on my next video.